people, this is Simran Ahuja and I'm supremely thrilled, absolutely elated to welcome you all at Just Entertain and Just LED presenting the magnificent New Year Eve. Let us all celebrate together. Ali Rangoonwala and Reena Gupta very excited to have this grand celebration with your loved ones. Aap sabke chahne wale, come on, let's ring in the new year together. Party to abhi shuru hui hai. Let's rock. Atlanta, are we ready?
From the media. It's a huge honor to be here at Atlanta and thank you Ali Rangoonwala जैसे इनका नाम है सबके लाइफ में भी ये रंग भर देते हैं और of course just entertainment हो या just LED हो, it's always about the illumination and the brightness and इनके साथ में the very renowned, there's only one name जब एटलांटा की बात आती है in the real beautiful events world, that is Reena Gupta. Reena, the very elegant, sophisticated and the one who makes it possible कि ये super से भी duper से भी hit कैसे हो सकता है. So she's the one who cues us and जब ये दोनों एक साथ आ जाए, so it's the culmination of magic and magnificence. So thank you to both of you. So let's get started. This order में आप गए. I'm going to start the same order as well and start with our very renowned, the numero uno हमारे देश के पहले Indian Idol. So how excited are you, अभिजीत, और क्या कहना चाहेंगे? What is special about 2025 जो हम bring in कर रहे हैं New Year?
Hello everybody, good morning, good evening.
Good morning.
हमारा good morning ही था, तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है यहाँ पर आके because I have been here many times. Especially ये कहूँ तो एटलांटा मेरे लिए सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट जगह रही है क्योंकि my first tour जब मैंने हिमेश जी के साथ किया था तो my first station was एटलांटा. तो तब से 2006-7 से एक रिश्ता है एटलांटा के साथ एंड ये अभी तक चल रहा है. सो सबसे ज़्यादा टाइम विजिट अगर मैंने किसी सिटी को किया है तो वो एटलांटा में है. सो आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू अली भाई एंड रीना जी दैट आई एम कमिंग हियर एंड फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम परफॉर्मिंग फॉर 31st. हम लोग बहुत बार परफॉर्म करते हैं इंडिया में, इंडिया के बाहर, बट दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम आई एम परफॉर्मिंग ऑन 31st नाइट इन US एंड दिस इज़ द सिटी. मुझे एक मौका मिल रहा है क्योंकि जहाँ से मैंने शुरुआत की थी वहाँ से ही मैं वहाँ पे मैं अपना 31st का फर्स्ट नाइट कर रहा हूँ. सो आई एम लकी फॉर यू गाइस, आई होप.
Thank you very much. You are truly lucky. Of course, it's always about the beautiful जोड़ी. मुझे बड़ा मजा आता है. इनके तो बड़े फैंस हैं. हर मम्मी चाहती है उनकी तरह उनका बेटा हो, बेटा नहीं तो बेटा इन लॉ उनकी तरह हो. Right from the love they've received with Kumkum, well, let me tell you, ये सबके चहीते हैं. Every girl wants a boyfriend like Hussain, and every girl wants to marry a guy like Hussain. अब Hussain जाए तो कहाँ जाए? But of course, he's been very loyal and very faithful to Ali Rangoonwala right from 2021 New Year और अब फिर से. We all love Hussain. Hussain, हम सब आपके आशिक हैं और बेहद मोहब्बत करते हैं आपसे. तो आप बताइए अब किस तरह आप यहाँ पर आपके जो सारे फैंस हैं all generations के and you're going to perform here for them and how excited and thrilled are you to make them shake a leg to your tunes क्योंकि आप perform करते हैं इसलिए.
Very excited. Thank you for that, man. And Simran, you threw me apart a couple of times. I have to say that. Abhi, the moment you said that, he's the best brother-in-law, son-in-law, and the best husband, I think that only my wife can probably answer that whether is it or not, because while जब हम लोग show करते थे तो we would always find all of this to be too good to be true, कि यार पता नहीं ऐसे पति actually exist करते हैं या ऐसी बीवी actually exist करती है या नहीं. And when after that you said that I'm very very faithful, I thought you want to say my wife, and you said Ali.
I only believe it now. So now हम सब हैं यहाँ पर.
Okay, thank you. Again I thought चल मैं जल्दी से ऐसा record कर देता हूँ. He's very faithful, and you always said Rangoon wala, I said. No point. So yeah, but once honestly, thank you again, thank you Ali. हालांकि we've known each other since childhood days. And I don't think हमने तभी इतना वक्त spend किया जितना अभी कर रहे हैं. So that's nice, and thank you Reena for having me out here once again. It's a wonderful opportunity. What I really admire about is that it doesn't feel that you're not in India. When you're outside, when you're like 7 seas apart out here and you're still performing, and I think that just goes to show the power of our country. That wherever we go, we find brilliant and lovely Indians who love us so much. हम लोग जनरली काम करते हैं, शूट करते हैं, शूट से घर पे जाते हैं, निकल जाते हैं. आज इतने सालों के बाद भी अगर लोग आपके काम को याद करते हैं, अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, तो आई फील दैट आई एम नॉट ओनली लकी इन टर्म्स ऑफ दैट आई एम परफॉर्मिंग हियर, आई एम जस्ट लकी टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस प्रोफेशन, दैट वी गेट so much love and so much adulation from so many people all over the world, and especially all the lovely Indians. Thank you all you lovely ladies also out there for giving us a warm welcome while we landed in Atlanta. And
He's always on a high, and that's the beautiful aura you carry around you. Thank you, Zen, and thank you for that. That's very special. Of course, wife का प्यार तो है ही यार, लेकिन यहाँ पर आए हैं तो फैंस रहेंगे, और आप सब और मैं, हम सब इनके इर्द गिर्द नाचेंगे. Let's welcome Vishal Kota. He was very excited, a very renowned playback singer from our country. Right from सारेगामापा से जो उन्होंने उस ताल से ताल पकड़ी है. Well, let me tell you, he's the one who's gained recognition with more than a couple of shows, not just couple of super successful shows, including being recognized by the Canadian government. So Vishal is very excited because he has special set of songs आप सबके लिए, आप सबके दिल की बात खूबसूरती से जानते हैं वो. So he's very excited to reach out to your hearts with his music. Vishal, मुस्कुराएं. I know आप attitude में बड़े अच्छे दिखते हैं, but the handsome hunk.
मैं हमेशा ही कोशिश करता हूँ कि मैं मुस्कुराता हूँ. और एक मुस्कुराहट पे गाना है. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निसार, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है. खैर मुस्कुराहट पे बात चली तो इसलिए मैंने 2 लाइन गा दी. Anyways, I'm really very happy. और ये टीम जो कल से हम लोग मिले, एक दूसरे के साथ में टाइम स्पेंड कर रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छी वाइब आ रही है, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, एंड एवरीथिंग इज़ वेरी पॉजिटिव. और बहुत महीनों से हम लोग बातें कर रहे थे. अली भाई से हम लोग मिले थे आई थिंक सो आहुआ में. इट वाज लाइक मार्च में. ओके, तब से हम लोग बात कर रहे हैं, और आई एम रियली हैप्पी कि फाइनली दिस इज हैपनिंग. एंड अभिजीत, एज वी आर वेरी ओल्ड फ्रेंड्स, 20 साल हो गए हमको एक साथ में. हमने जर्नी शुरुआत की थी इंडियन आइडल सीजन 1 से, और टुकड़ों में हम लोग मिलते रहते हैं और शोज़ साथ में करते रहते हैं. बाकी जो 1 से 10 जो टॉप 10 सिंगर्स थे, अभिजीत फर्स्ट था, मैं 9th और 10th था. बीच के लोग नहीं मिलते जितना हम दोनों मिलते रहते हैं, फर्स्ट और लास्ट. सो आई एम रियली हैप्पी. अभिनंदा इज ऑल्सो अ वेरी डियर फ्रेंड. सो अच्छा लगता है कि फैमिली है साथ में, और जो आप लोगों के साथ में परफॉर्म कर रहे हैं, यू नो ऑल ऑफ देम इतने सालों से, इवन हुसैन. सो शिल्पी भी कल आने वाली है. सो शिल्पी इज ऑल्सो अ डियर फ्रेंड, एंड वी आर रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड. थैंक यू रीना, थैंक यू अली फॉर दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. और हम लोग इंडिया में बहुत सारे शोज करते हैं, और अब तक 31st हमने इंडिया में ही किया है, मतलब इंडिया एंड अब्रॉड, नॉट इन द यूएस एंड स्टेट्स में हमने कभी नहीं किया है. सो दिस इज अ वेरी बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी, एंड रियली लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड कि हम लोग बहुत मज़ा करें, बहुत धमाल करें, बहुत डांस करेंगे साथ में, बहुत अच्छे अच्छे गाने गाएंगे, और आई होप आप लोगों को भी सबको मज़ा आएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.
course the face of MTV Rock On, वहां से लेकर जो उन्होंने rocking career शुरू किया है, she's absolutely par excellence, the very sensational Abhinanda Sarkar. Well, let me tell you a few more things about her. We of course love her in her singing zone, the very renowned playback singer again. Bollywood की बड़ी favorite है Abhinanda. At the same time, एक होता है सुर, आवाज, and one is performer. So जी हाँ, आ रही है आप सबका दिल जीतने. To make sure that you just don't stop shaking a leg and dancing. Are you all ready? As we get to hear from the one who rocked at the FIFA World Cup and is very excited to be here, just entertain and just LED. Ali, Reena, let's welcome Abhinanda Sarkar.
Thank you, Simran, for that lovely introduction. Well, thank you all for coming here and hearing us. I'm sure everybody is going to come tomorrow, right? Okay. So, music, though, obviously we will be singing and dancing at the same time, expecting all of you here. लेकिन मैं एक बात बोलना चाहती हूँ. First of all, I would like to thank Reena and Ali because हम लोग आहुआ में मिले थे, आहुआ convention, as you people know, and this is my third time in Atlanta in this year. So I had done 17th August Freedom Mela in Atlanta. Then I did another T20 because मैं FIFA World Cup से हूँ, तो सारे जो छोटे-छोटे cricket teams होते हैं या sports होते हैं, वहाँ पे मैं बहुत popular हूँ. So I keep on singing on these kind of events. But yes, as Abhijit said, this is our first time, 31st, we are celebrating because even we want to celebrate because, you know, and I'm really, as we were all talking, you know, Hussein was saying that we are so proud that we have such a big Indian community in Atlanta and we are going to be representing that, dancing with you guys as well as singing, and thanks to these two guys for organizing such an event. So big applause for these two, Reena and Ali. Thanks Ali and Reena for bringing us here.
While the countdown has already begun, this is truly gonna be spectacular. Ali did introduce everyone, and the handsome hunk to my right is Amit. No, that's okay, sir. मुझे याद है. That's my job, Ali. So that's okay. So Amit, I'm very excited because Ali and Reena are together, and you always have your support and your good luck wishes to them. So before we get,
By the way, I'm Jyotsna Hegde with NRI Pulse. Hi. What does you're a former beauty queen, so tell me, what does beauty itself mean to you?
initially it's the aesthetic beauty, but later you realize it's all about the beauty within. Even our beauty queens, past beauty queens, are always a reflection of what is inside. So we always work towards aesthetics, right from looks top to bottom. But end of the day, when it comes to our Q&A round, when it comes to intelligence, it's always about the reflection of inner beauty, which automatically comes outside.
For everybody
Yeah, no
here, you know, the whole group came together as one unit, and the way they are, like, you know, gelling together, just like Vishal said. I mean, this whole thing, the whole vibe is something else. You know, it's something else. It's more than the sum of, like, you know, everybody together. But it's like, other than all of that, like, I just want to say like one word about you know, how incredibly proud I am of my wife. You know, like, she's an unbreakable spirit and she's an unstoppable force. I think she is definitely an inspiration, not just to me, but for many of her peers, and many of them have said so. And I'm just gonna say that, you know, I have like all my best wishes with her, and I myself trying to learn from her whenever I can. So thank you very much.
I don't have any New Year resolution actually.
You look perfect though.
I just have to living a good life. That is my New Year resolution, because every year is changing, you know. Every year I plan something and that doesn't happen. If it's happening also, then I don't feel that, you know, something I have achieved. So now I started thinking that, you know, I just have to live there. That is the only resolution right now I have for myself.
But how do you feel this 20 years of journey, like from since you know, Indian Idol festival?
It's been a roller coaster. I've gone through many different moods of life. There were highs also. There were some days there were lows also. But that kind kind of, you know, that those experience gives you a good education to understand the life, understand yourself, understand the family, understand your fans. And now I started believing that, you know, you have to just work well. You don't have to think what is right and what is not right, what will take you ahead or what will, you know, stop you doing good things. But important thing is to work well. And now I'm just working and I want to work more. I'm doing many other projects also, but yes, the main important part is I have to keep my family and myself happy and my fans happy. So, yeah.
Shilpa, thank you so much for joining us. And we want to know from the perfectionist, Hussain Kunjanwala is a perfectionist. Hussain, I also want to know what is your resolution, तो हम आपको follow करें.
नो रेजोल्यूशन यार, जो करता हूँ कभी पूरा होता ही नहीं है, तो मेरे को लगता है यार रेजोल्यूशन करके कोई फायदा नहीं है. उससे अच्छा जिस दिन ऐसा लगे कि हाँ यू नो यू वांट टू डू समथिंग, जस्ट गो अहेड एंड डू इट. 31st का वेट क्यों करना है? ये पता है वैसे कोई लोग बोलते हैं ना, एक पहली तारीख से जिम जाऊंगा, तो इंसान बोलता है पहली तारीख से जिम जाऊंगा, वो कभी नहीं जाएगा. तो बेटर है कि वो कभी होना ही नहीं चाहिए. डोंट वेट फॉर इट इज व्हाट आई फील. ये दिस इज जस्ट दैट यू नो, लोग बोलते हैं रेजोल्यूशन पता नहीं क्यों निकाला है. It's like, you know, how you celebrate Valentine's Day. My wife also does it. I mean, but I still feel that yeah, love is supposed to be celebrated every day. ठीक है, एक आध दिन special हो गया. But apart from that, I mean, I don't really see it that way. So yeah, the day just feel.
Resolutions are meant to be broken.
It's like I thought promises are supposed to be broken and resolutions are supposed to be broken. So then what's the point of having one? But yeah, it's different for people. For some people it might work. So my friend, if it works for you.
Jyotsna Hegde with NRI Pulse. Hi. What does you're a former beauty queen, so tell me, what does beauty itself mean to you?
Initially, it's the aesthetic beauty, but later you realize it's all about the beauty within. Even our beauty queens, past beauty queens, are always a reflection of what is inside. So we always work towards aesthetics, right from looks top to bottom. But end of the day, when it comes to our Q&A round, when it comes to intelligence, it's always about the reflection of inner beauty which automatically comes outside. We have no idea how we're going to face the esteemed jury there. And that is the time you realize it's all about what you actually are within. So Miss Universe now has different, you know, preconditions what they used to have earlier, and they are very liberal, and everyone allows everyone to be themselves at the same time, excel in your endeavors. It's not just about, you know, having only the aesthetics, but about the overall beauty which is inside.
Get ahead and hopefully have that in future here. It's it's called Soul of India. Directed, produced, choreographed, acted, everything done by Harshal Kamath. He's not here right now. He's probably there tomorrow. And it's a wonderful show which talks about India. और हमारे इंडिया की हिस्ट्री बहुत ही अच्छी और बहुत कमाल की रही है. एंड हम तो जानते ही हैं, बट फॉर पीपल जो नहीं भी जानते उनके लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग है, और जो जानते हैं उनके लिए भी इंटरेस्टिंग है. इट्स अ लॉट अबाउट फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. उनकी कहानी हम जानते हैं, लेकिन वो कहानी को दर्शाया गया है थ्रू सॉन्ग एंड डांस एंड डायलॉग. एंड आई थिंक that is the crux of the entire show. And when you see the show, it moves you, it's emotional, it's inspirational. And yes, of course, whenever we get an opportunity to show it to you, you can see that all of us are in tears while you're watching the show. And we very, really feel it from the heart. That's a show, live show ka time is the right time right now to have these kind of live shows all over the world. And it's a story of India, which is to be shown to all the Indians also, and of course to all others as well. And I'm sure it's going to be very, very interesting for each and everyone who will probably see it. Though we belong to the fraternity, we know a lot about it, but still, it gets us goosebumps. I can just wonder what it will do to all the people who are watching it for the first time. And having done musical shows, I've been a part of it also for a very, very long time. So I know what live shows are all about, and this should do wonders once, Reena and Ali and Just Entertain and all of you guys put your minds together and get the show. So looking forward to it also.
Raise a cookie.